How to make speaker volume louder. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Play Store on your device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type speaker volume enhancer. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now install any one of the applications. I will choose this one. Then simply tap on install. Now after installing simply tap on open. Now wait for the app to open. Then tap on the cross icon. Now give the permissions. Then tap on accept. Now drag the push slider to make your volume louder. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.